Do you find yourself procrastinating a lot when trying to study? Can you not keep up with the amount of materials with your current study schedule? Do you maybe even pull all-nighters, cramming as much as you can the night before an important test? Are you having trouble remembering the material? Then it's time for a study plan schedule that works. A study plan is an organized schedule outlining study times and learning goals. Just like with work or school schedules, college students should develop a schedule that sets aside dedicated time each week for studying. This schedule should include dates of quizzes, tests, and exams, as well as deadlines for papers and projects. Number 1. Plan enough time for studying each subject. Most college classes are planned to require about 3 hours work per week per credit in the course. By multiplying your credit load by 3, you can get a good idea of the time you should provide for studying in addition to time spent in class. Number 2. Study at a set time and in a consistent place. Establishing habits of study is extremely important. Knowing what and when you are going to study saves a lot of time in making decisions and retracing your steps to get necessary materials, etc. Avoid generalizations in your schedule, such as, study chemistry, at certain regular hours. Instead, plan to complete 10 equations, or read and take notes on Chapter 6 for chemistry. Treat your study time as you would a class, don't miss it unless you're sick, have a family emergency, etc. It should be a permanent part of your daily routine. Number 3. Study as soon after your class as possible. 1 hour spent shortly after class will do as much good in developing an understanding and memory of materials as several hours a few days later. Recopy type notes while they are still fresh in your mind, fill in the gaps. Start assignments while your memory of the assignment is still accurate. By doing this, it will be easier to transfer information from short-term to long-term memory. Number 4. Limit your study time to no more than 2 hours on any one course at one time. After 1 to 2 hours of study you begin to tire rapidly and your ability to concentrate decreases rapidly. Taking a break and then switching to another course will provide the change necessary to keep up your efficiency. Do difficult work when your mind is most fresh. For some students, it is in the morning, for others it is in the late afternoon. Space out your study periods and take appropriate breaks, for example, 10 to 15 minutes of break after 1 hour of study. Number 5. Trade time, don't steal it. When unexpected events arise that take up time you had planned to study, decide immediately where you can find the time to make up the missed study time and adjust your schedule for that week. Also, make good use of weekend evenings. This trading agreement provides for committing one night to study, but rotating it as recreational possibilities vary. Number 6. Keep carefully organized notes on both lectures and assignments. Good notes are the best basis for review. Watch for key ideas in lectures and try to express them in your own words in your notes. Know when assignments are given and when they are due. It may help to date them and number the pages. Number 7. Leave some in scheduled time for flexibility. Lack of flexibility is one of the main reasons students do not follow a schedule. Make your schedule and stick to it. Remember that it usually takes 30 days to establish a habit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you in my next video.